What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We got another What's in the Box video for you. Today we're working with the AOSHIMA 124 scale G-Ready and Rocket Bunny Toyota 86. This is a 3-in-1. You can build it as just the Toyota 86, Scion FRS, or the Toyota GT 86. Not sure exactly what those options are, but it lists quite a few different things on the box of what it has. One of them I noticed, actually someone else noticed, that says removable cup holder. Okay, neat. Removable cup holder, but no motor. Okay, well, that's right. I've got a 2JZ, Turbo 2JZ that I plan to put in this. I was at the hobby shop the other day, and this thing just absolutely jumped out at me. I mean, come on. How cool is that? Rocket Bunny. Not sure if any... Hey. Not sure how many of you are familiar with what or who Rocket Bunny is. It's an aftermarket body kit company that makes kits for pretty much any kind of car for that matter, but you know, primarily the JDM stuff. Super cool stuff. Guy's an absolute he's a passion. He's definitely got passion for the sport, for the cars and the kits that he builds. Hand builds, limited runs, you know, I mean, you have to commission your Rocket Bunny stuff, and I'm sure that it's not cheap. Wow, look at those decals. I just finished doing an unboxing for another kit for a different manufacturer, MPC, and it's just night and day differences. You don't see this in any of those kits. You get what you pay for, you know. I mean, this kit was a little bit more spendy, but oh my gosh. You can see in the background I've got a Tamiya BRZ that I'm working on that's been stellar. Really cool details. Yeah, look at the, here's part of the 3-in-1. You've got different options for the screen, what's on the display. Wow, talk about cool details. Different dash cluster styles. And you know, who knows what else is on there. Pretty cool. And the window masking stickers, very cool. Those allow you to do stuff like this. Just stellar. Such a big difference. As well as the instruction sheets are so detailed. I mean, detailed down to the point of what exact colors you'll want to use. I don't understand any of that, but I wish I did. I'm considering trying to learn to speak an Asian language. Thinking about going to Japan. Oh man, I mean, the details are just outstanding. This, I'm sure, will be a fun build, just like that BRZ has been. So let's set that over there for now and go right to the amazing body. Don't need this for these kits. Just set that off to the side. Wow. Just top notch. I mean, I don't see any flaws at all. Plastic feels really nice. This is going to be a nice kit. Nice. What else there? See, what do we... Oh, I spoke too soon. Yes, we do need it. Yeah, looking forward to this build for sure. And I'm migrating more towards these Tamiya's, AOSHIMA's. Oh, very cool. Right hand or left hand drive options. You can tell already. Let's say firewall with your brake booster. Mirror, multicolored, you know, so you can do body color and black. Body parts, trunk lid, bumper, opening rear hood, as well as an opening front hood. There's no motor Wait, or is there? There must be a motor top. Yeah, we'll get to it. We'll get there. Other options for bumpers. They said this is a 3-in-1 kit, so you got options. You can build it stock, or you can build it Rocket Bunny style with the over fenders. Very cool. Very cool indeed. Yeah, this is going to be a bitchin' kit to build. More body panels, rocker panels, and looks like a front lip maybe. A wing. Big giant wing. That would look really neat. Carbon hanging off the back. Whap, brap, brap. More brap, please. Oh, neat. The wing uprights say Rocket Bunny on them. If the camera will pick that up, I really hope so. Got a little Rocket Bunny logo indent there. Neat. That'll paint up really cool. Some clear taillight lenses. Giant chrome exhaust. What's that? I'm not sure what that is. Exhaust tips. More chrome muffler. Headlight and taillight inserts. Mirror. More exhaust tips. Glass. Single piece. There. Put it back in the bag, but I gotta take it out just to show you the details. It's got a little texture to it. I'm gonna scratch that. For the defroster portion, and then the frosted parts, again with the masking, put the masking on them, and you get that. Super cool. Super cool indeed. I'm going to put that back in the bag once I'm finished with this. 2 more bags to go through. A lot of parts. A lot of parts in this kit. And I can see already it's got a very similar style to that BRZ, that it's got an engine bottom cover. So you can't really see anything from the underside. Yeah, let's just do that. There's your underside of the chassis. So once that goes on there, you can't see anything anyways. But again, I have a 3D printed 2JZ I want to drop in here. So I'll probably cut that out so that it'll fit properly. Very cool. Very cool indeed. Oh, more details. Right hand or left hand drive. I'm not sure what you'd call that for your vent up under the behind the, you know, whatever parts. I don't claim to be a genius, that's for sure. Really nice details on the. Wait, why are there 2 different size brake rotors and calipers? Oh, very neat. Yeah, it looks like one set is much bigger. Wow, really cool. Really cool attention to detail. All your suspension parts. There's a transmission, so you know that's cool. At least you can see some of it from underneath the car. More chrome options for headlight and taillight inserts for which version you're going to build. To the last big bag. Oh my gosh, come on, get out of there. Wait, only 1 wheel option. That's interesting. Well, that's really interesting. It's only got 1 wheel option and all these other 3-in-1 options. So, you know, pick and choose. I guess I figure a lot of people are probably going to swap these wheels out anyways. You know, you're going to build it up with a detail kit. but it's got a nice set of tires. Yeah, see, I could do that without the knife. No, I guess I can't. Come on, bear with me here. Patience. Really nice set of. Oh, look, they're already overstretched. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's got an angle on it, so they're overstretched, which basically means they've taken a tire that doesn't quite fit the rim for that stance look. Stance life, yo. Oh, that is just, oh, hell yeah. Very cool. Oh, and then a neat, no, it's not honeycomb, but it's honeycomb-ish grill insert. Front inserts. More interior parts, or no, the interior parts, excuse me. We got one seat option. They're really nice looking seats, though. Very cool. Steering wheel and column, door cards, interior pan, rear seat. What is that? Looks like center console controls. Nice detailed pedals. Very cool. Oh wow. Okay, I've never seen that before. Automatic or stick shift pedal controls. That's really cool. Again, I've never seen that in even a Revell kit. So, really cool. Really impressed with the quality. Wow, I'm just beating up that BRZ body, aren't I? And then here's your right hand or left hand drive. Even down to the console with the e-brake and the where the wipers mount. Okay, that is really, really cool. I gotta say, I'm really impressed. From what I've learned, these AOSHIMAs are they're kind of they're like what a Revell is to an AMT, if that makes any sense. And I guess a lot of that is personal opinion. In my experience, anyways, I found that the Revels are generally a little bit nicer than the MTs, certainly a better quality than the MPCs. So these AOSHIMA kits in the, let's see, AOSHIMA, Fujimi, Tamiya, and that realm, they're kind of up there in the top echelon, if you will. And it shows. It really shows. I mean, you certainly get what you pay for with these kits. It doesn't have a motor, but as you can see, it's got, you know, it's got an engine top. Where is it? Right there, I guess. Not exactly sure, but you know, it will not take much for me to cut the bottom of that open and drop one of the 2JZs I have in there. I've got two different versions of turbos. Very cool, very cool. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I would highly recommend you go get one of these and experiment. You know, maybe start with a lesser parts count or just a basic build. The BRZ that I've referenced several times, it's been a stellar build. I've really enjoyed it. Highly recommend. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Be sure to click that subscription button and notification to see more videos like this. And this will be coming as an unboxing soon. It's an old out of production kit, but it's sealed, so I'm gonna open it and see what's inside of it. I've got an idea for a Datsun collection I want to build. So that about does it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.